So I look at, and when I was reading it, what I was thinking of is with the Korean negotiations, there is a very complicated set of background material you need to understand. Those are the kind of details that area experts understand, assistant secretaries, deputy assistant secretaries understand. Is it your worry that that's the kind of texture that we're losing?
Literally, you can see the loss of that texture when you look at the structure of the State Department. So there were two earlier diplomatic runs at a North Korea settlement under Clinton, where there actually were some concessions made on the North Korea side. Then they cheated and it fell through. And late in the game, under George W. Bush and Condoleezza Rice. And Condoleezza Rice is one of the many secretaries of state to talk about that in this book. We talk at length about Chris Hill, the lead negotiator on those six-party talks at that point. When he attempted that, we had an entire North Korea unit at the State Department, experts who were steeped in this. And it's an oversimplification to say that was a complete failure. While in the end, we didn't get what we wanted, there were huge inroads made. They shut down some of their plants for the very first time. And I think the disappointment of the experts, Fareed, is that each time we make those inroads, a new administration steps away. The Obama administration stepped away. And right now, we're at a point where we haven't leveraged any of those gains in the past, and indeed seem to be throwing out all the people who know how to leverage those gains.